wipe it out easily. We are professionals. The key left in the briefcase will be very important in the future, so keep it safe. Huckleberry was a key part of our founding fathers. He knows me very well. I was also one of the original 13. He was one of our give us your answer in your next video, and we will send further instructions. Save your silly little team. If he does this, we will...
No barrier. These boys were born, they're raised by the wild, and they're hunting what open won't even speak of. They are the sons of Appalachia.
She's watching the Price is Right. See, you finished.